Hi, in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to review with you what are like terms and how do we use that knowledge to combine like terms. And we will go through two sample questions. Like terms are terms that have the same variable and are also raised to the same power, also known as an exponent. Here's a good example. These two terms, 2y and negative 4y, are like terms because they have the same variable y and both are raised to the power of 1. We don't normally write the exponent when it is a 1. Here's another example of like terms. 8w squared and 9w squared. Both of these terms have a w and the variable w is raised to the same exponent. These two examples here are not examples of like terms. Negative 3w and 6y. These are not like terms because they do not have the same variable. In this example, 2w to the fourth power and 2w to the third. They do have the same variable. However, the reason why they are not like terms is because their exponents are simply different. Hope that's clear. Now let's go ahead and apply this knowledge to combining like terms. Here's example 1. We're going to combine and simplify this entire expression. So first, you should look for your like terms and try to rearrange the terms according by like terms. So notice I've gathered my m squared terms together and I've grouped them with parentheses. My next group of like terms are the terms that have just the variable m. And my last group of like terms are terms that have just plain constants. After you've recognized and grouped your like terms, simply simplify. 1m squared plus 3m squared is 4m squared. 10m minus 2m is 8m. 4 minus 7 is negative 3. So the simplified answer is 4m squared plus 8m minus 3. Let's look over one more. Here we have an example that's a little bit more complex. Your first step, you have to recognize you must distribute the 2. So here are the hints off to the side if you'd like to follow along. When we distribute the 2, you're going to take the 2 and distribute or multiply that with the y as well as the minus 8. Simplify these and you get 5 plus 2y minus 16 plus 7y. Start looking for those like terms. I've used grouping symbols, the parentheses, to group together my like terms. Now I'm going to simplify. The more simplified answer of 9y plus negative 11 is simply 9y minus 11. I hope that helped.